Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 09. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Request Barangay Certificate section sa Barangay Services Management module. Ang section na ito ay ginagamit para gumawa at mag-generate ng official barangay certificates for residents. It supports both standard system-generated certificates and customizable certificate content for special cases. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Services Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Services screen, makikita natin ang Request Barangay Certificate section. Dito may dalawang important buttons, Create Certificate and Generate Certificate. To begin, click Create Certificate. This opens the certificate creation form. Sa form na ito, pipili muna ang barangay staff ng resident from the list. Mahalagang siguraduhin na tama ang selected resident because the certificate will be generated using that resident's information. Next, select the certificate purpose. The purpose explains why the certificate is being requested, such as employment, school requirement, identification, or other official use. After selecting the resident and purpose, review the certificate content. May dalawang content modes ang system. The first is system mode. In this mode, BIMS automatically generates the standard certificate format based on the resident data and selected purpose. This is best for normal or standard certificate requests. The second is custom mode. In this mode, barangay staff may manually edit or customize the purpose or body content. This is useful for special cases where the standard format is not enough. Before generating the certificate, always review the preview or content carefully. This helps avoid errors, reissuance, or duplicate certificate generation. Kapag tama na ang resident, purpose, and certificate content, click Generate Certificate. Once generated, the certificate is automatically archived in the Archived Barangay Certificates section. This is important because it provides traceability and version control. Sa Archived Barangay Certificates table, makikita ang previously generated certificates including information such as resident name, purpose, address, version, content mode, generated date, and available actions like print or delete, depending on user access. This means every generated certificate can be reviewed or printed again later instead of manually recreating the document. Sa right side, makikita ang Request Barangay Certificate Help panel. It explains what this section does, how to use it, available actions, content modes, important notes, tip, and system impact. The most important reminders are, make sure the resident information is complete, the certificate purpose is properly defined, and the certificate preview is reviewed before generating. Open Barangay Services Management. Go to Request Barangay Certificate. Click Create Certificate. Select the resident. Select the certificate purpose. Review or customize the content. Then click Generate Certificate. The Request Barangay Certificate feature helps the barangay create official, consistent, traceable, and printable certificates using the resident records stored in BIMS. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang Archived Barangay Certificates section, including how to view and print previously generated certificates. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to request and generate a barangay certificate. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.